Hello everyone and welcome back to Aviation A to Z. Today we are going to compare E-Part 8 with CR147 and we will see how they are different from each other. Also, there is misunderstanding that before CR147 came into existence, it was called CR66. So no, it's not CR66 but it was known as E-Part 8 course. So guys, please remember this. Also, we will see in depth about both the courses. So let us get started. In this video, we will see number 1, what is E-Part 8, number 2, advantages and disadvantages of E-Part 8, number 3, what is CR147, number 4, advantages and disadvantages of CR147, number 5, difference between E-Part 8 and CR147, and finally we will see which one is better. Also watch this video till end to receive special bonus. So let's see it. Number 1, what is E-Part 8? First of all, why we called it E-Part 8? Because in Civil Aviation Requirement, that is CAR, in Section 2 Series E-Part 8, it is named as Approval of Organization Category G Training Institute, and that's why we called it E-Part 8 course. E-Part 8 used to comprise of 3 streams, that is mechanical stream, which comprise of aeroplane and power plant, which includes light aircraft, heavy aircraft, piston engine and jet engine. Another mechanical stream, helicopter and power plant, which includes rotary wing aircraft, piston engine and jet engine. While there is avionics stream comprising of electrical system, instrument system and radio navigation system. It was applicable from 1st July 2008 in India. The E-Part 8 gives complete guidelines for institutes to follow all the standards laid down by Dgca to carry out this course smoothly. The E-Part 8 is 3 years course which has 5 semesters in college and 1 semester as on-job training, that is OJT. Many students get confused, OJT is counted as 6 months of experience. No, it's not. Please remember this. It's part of the course and not the additional experience. Please go through it if you are E-Part 8 students to know about your rights and what to do in this course. It also contains all the details about OJT, what to do in it and how you can do it, also responsibilities of college and organization providing on-job training. If you want detailed summary video, then please mention in comment section of this video. Despite the fact we are E-Part 8 student, instead of paper 1, 2, 3 or 4, we are giving modules. Because CR66 came into existence and it must be followed for complete details, from basic requirement till getting AME license. So yes, CR66 is related to E-Part 8, but you cannot name E-Part 8 course as CR66. Now let us see advantages and disadvantages of E-Part 8 course. First of all, let's talk about advantages. Number 1, it's a 3 years course, so it's equivalent to diploma or BSc, but it's not actually still. If in future we get recognition, then we don't need to give any additional exam. Number 2, 6 months of continuous practical training. Yes, it's very convenient as you learn a lot for continuously 6 months on live aircrafts. Number 3, the duration of course is 3 years, so it's an accurate period to clear all your modules while studying this course. So you here have sufficient time, as if you failed also, then also you can clear it. And it's easier to clear modules while studying in college and rather than working in field. Finally, number 4, I think 3 years is a perfect period for studying the complete syllabus and modules. And this was very ideal pattern, especially for countries like India. But then why Dgca change it? To know about it, let us see disadvantages. I personally don't think there is any disadvantages in it. But Dgca thinks that if in future, if they want to equalize Dgca course with YASA, they adopted YASA Part 147 and renamed it as CR147. That's the only valid reason. I can also think of that in E-Part 8 we used to have paper system, and for CR66, which again adopted from YASA Part 66, requires modules, and that's why they might have changed it. If we are talking about CR147, so let's see what is CR147. CR147 is all about approved maintenance training organization and also about basic maintenance training organization. So there is 2 CR147s. In that we will see basic maintenance training organization, which has replaced E-Part 8 course. The CR147 came into existence on 1st March 2018. According to CR147 basic, the college can have maximum 30 students in one batch and 2 such batch every year. Unfortunately, there is no mention of duration like in Part 8. So it's creating a lot of confusion among students as colleges are telling 2 years or 4 years of course. So in our upcoming video, we will try to find out answers for it from Dgca, and for that we will need your support. To know about examination rules, you can also refer CR 147. A dedicated section for it is also provided. If we consider CR 147 as 2 years course, then in that 30% of practical training must be carried out in an actual maintenance working environment, that is AET. In CR 147, you must have 90% of attendance. It also has conversion procedures. If you want to convert from B1.1 to B2 or B1.3 to B1.1, then you must follow it. We have already made a video on how to convert your AME license, so please check it out. Link of that video is provided in description. Now let us see few advantages and lots of disadvantages of CR 147. The only advantage of CR 147 course is the license experience requirement is reduced to 1 year for category A and 3 years for category B. That's it. Rest all are the disadvantages. Number 1. The course is too short and you cannot learn everything in such short time. The AET is just helpless because you cannot actually work there. Instead, stand there and observe the tasks done by others. You cannot clear module in such a short time of 2 years. There is no definite answer that what to do after completion of course, because college will issue COFR, that is Certificate of Recognition, and you will be on your own. They have written it. The college might provide apprenticeship training, but the charges are too much. Instead of getting stipend, you are actually paying for training. And soon we will make a detailed video about this biggest scam CR 147. Really it is, and in upcoming video you will know about it. And that's why I suggest don't take admission in AME college now. Also, there is no accurate knowledge or guidelines mentioned by Dgca on CR 147, and it's just their faulty experiment. That's it. Now let us compare them and see the differences between Part 8 and CR 147. Here's a distinguishing chart between Part 8 and CR 147. Let us see duration. Part 8 comprises of 3 years of course. CR 147 is not defined, either 2 years or 4 years. Let us see experience. Thus, Part 8 has continuous 6 months of experience, but CR 147 has breaking experience of only few days in 1 semester. Let us talk about most important topic, job status. Valuable 6 months of OJT helps to get you fresh job, and you can actually apply for walk-in interviews. But for CR 147, AET is not sufficient and will not help in getting fresher jobs. So which one is better? Definitely Part 8 is better than CR 147. But unfortunately, to earn more money, Dgca has changed this course into CR 147, and it's the reality, and in upcoming video we will tell you in detail about it, so stay tuned. Part 8 student is also facing difficulties nowadays to get OJT, as college, despite their responsibility, has raised their hands and told students that they are not responsible. Such colleges are seen at every corner of this country. They only think about money, and for them this is just a business, nothing else.
Dada, why? Why, Dada, why?
This is business.
This is my sweat.
I know, but I did business.
Shut up! Shut up!
This is business.
Recently, few students got cheated by another student regarding on-job training, that is OJT. And if you want, then we will make a detailed video on it to aware everyone about such frauds. That was all for today. Subscribe our channel and click on bell icon to receive quick notification and to watch our videos immediately. Also, share this video to aware everyone about differences between Part 8 and CR 147. And it's not 66 versus 147, remember this. And if you are still watching, then here is your bonus. See, I have already told this previously and will again say that college is responsible for providing OJT, and if you don't believe me, then please read series Part 8, page number 5 to 9, the responsibilities of CI and organization. The link to download Part 8 is provided in description of this video. One more thing, please ask your college that what to do after passing out from college. What will happen to them? The training they will provide should pay you back. Instead, they are charging lakhs of rupees. Please ask them why they are charging so much money for training. I hope that this field becomes better for everyone and every deserving person get placed into it. Never lose hope and keep working. See you soon with another awareness spreading video. Till then, keep learning, keep watching, stay safe. Jai Hind.